Okay, Julie, here's your PowerPoint teleprompter tutorial. I've started a brand new presentation. I've right-clicked it so that the layout is blank because it originally comes up as a title slide. Right-click on the actual slide, hit layout, hit blank. Click anywhere on your slide, Control V to paste your text. You can select your text so that you can increase your font size. So you're going to select your text by clicking on the box around your text box when you have the cursor with the 4 arrows, and then you're going to go up to your menu and hit 48, enter, and now you have a text box with font size 48. I'm going to decrease the visible space. I'm going to go find my slide right here so that I can make sure that my font text box fits in the slide section now that I've increased the size. So scroll up a little bit higher and you'll see the little handles that you can grab to increase or decrease the size of the box. So I'm just going to increase it just a little bit, not all the way to the end, just to make sure that I don't lose any text when I'm in the presentation. And then you can always align this by arrange, align, center. So now that your text box is centered, select your text box. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the text box and align the bottom of the text to the bottom of the slide. Like we did earlier when we centered the box, we're going to hit arrange, align, make sure it says align to slide. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that earlier. Make sure it says align to slide and then align bottom. And now the bottom of the text box is at the bottom of the slide. Now we're going to go ahead and increase the viewable space. You're going to select again your text box because now we're going to change it, the color to white and the slide background to black. So you're going to go up here and select white. Select the white section of your page on your slide, right click, go to Format Background, select black, apply to all, hit close. So now you're ready to animate. So your text box and your slides are all set. If you want to increase this just a little bit, you can kind of drag it out a little bit more if you wanted. Okay. And then you can decrease your box. Nope, you can't decrease your box. Sorry. Don't worry about that. Okay. Anyways, so now you can go to animations because now you're going to animate your text box. Make sure you select your text box when you're in animations and you're going to select fly in. With your text box selected, you're going to hit animation pane. You can increase this if you want, but you can double click to get to your timing, or you can right click and select timing, get you to the same place. In this area right here where it says duration, you're going to type in 360 seconds. It's a nice, comfortable pace. If you want to increase or decrease that, just do the same thing, double click, change it to, let's 180. I'll show you the difference. Seconds. Make sure it's seconds. Hit OK. You can see how much faster that is. 360 was a comfortable pace based on what you were telling me earlier. Okay. The other thing you need to do to make sure that when you hit the presentation mode that it automatically starts playing is to click on with previous. So there it goes. Now we're going to test it and take a look at it. Ah, it's beautiful. And I promise you this will play all the way to the end. I don't know what we were doing wrong. I think it was because I had 2 slides earlier. You had your original slide and then I created a second slide, so it was playing both slides at the same time, and so it was confused and I was confused. And then the other thing is I think you had multiple animation boxes that I hadn't deleted. So there you go. If you have any questions, give me a call.